SoundCheck, you can customize your display background and the color palette under Edit, Preferences, Display. You can check the box to display an image and change the background color of the main screen. You may click on the folder icon to upload another image file and have it either centered, tiled, or stretched. In the Graph Palette section, you can customize the colors of curves and waveforms viewed from the memory list window. If you are a fan of dark mode, you might want to select black as your background color. Click OK to apply the changes when finished. You can also make quick color changes in the display windows. Click on a specific curve and go to Color and change the curve color. You can change the colors of the background, X and Y grid lines by right-clicking on the display window and going to Preferences. If you are dealing with multiple curves and the legend is covering a lot of screen space in the display, you might want to switch your position to the right. Click OK to apply the changes.